preparing for my inter group one. So I gave group one and group two separately for inter. And when I was preparing for my inter group one, there was a very close friend of mine, and we both came to the paper and we used to always discuss how did our paper go. My paper went really good, and her paper was really bad. And she
Okay.
was like, I am not even attempting the other three papers.
Okay.
And I wasted around, not like wasted, but actually I was trying to convince her for 30 minutes that please attend the other three papers. You have done your part. Let's see what's the result. And
Uh-huh.
eventually, we both were the only two people who cleared from our whole coaching batch. So, I mean, ये जो बीच में गिव अप एटीट्यूड है ना, जैसे हम शिल्पा ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली है दैट सीएमए इज इफ वी आर सीएमए टुडे दैट वाज वन ऑफ आवर ड्रीम्स. एंड अगर हम उस ड्रीम
Exactly.
पे ही गिव अप कर देंगे, हाउ विल वी अचीव एनीथिंग इन लाइफ? ऐसे तो ड्रीम करते जाओ लीव करते जाओ सब कुछ. नथिंग इज गोना कम योर वे ऑन योर ओन. एंड
Exactly.
वन एडिशनल थिंग, स्टॉप बीइंग वेरी कैलकुलेटिव स्टूडेंट्स. हम लोग बहुत कैलकुलेटिव होके प्रिपेयर करते हैं. अरे हमारे टीचर ने बोला है ये वाला चैप्टर तो इस वाले चैप्टर के साथ चॉइस में आएगा, एक ही पढ़ लेते हैं. और जो एक
Mm-hmm.
क्वेश्चन आता है वो हमें आता नहीं होता. तो
Uh-huh.
दीज मिस्टेक्स एटलीस्ट पढ़ो तो, रिवाइज मत करना बाद में. अगर तुम बहुत ज्यादा
Uh-huh.
कॉन्फिडेंट के लिए पढ़ो तो उसे.
Mm-hmm.
सो स्टॉप बीइंग
Mm-hmm.
कैलकुलेट. पेपर दे दिया, खत्म. ना डिस्कस करो,
Yeah.
ना देखो उस क्वेश्चन पेपर को. देखना है 8 पेपर पूरे करो, उसके बाद जितना कैलकुलेट करना है सब कर लेना. रिजल्ट तक बहुत
Uh-huh.
डेढ़ महीना. सो these are the few things that we really need to understand. Stop
Yes.
being calculative. Try to, even if you want to strategize while you study, strategize in a good way. Talk to your
Mm-hmm.
seniors, to your lecturers. They have the
Mm-hmm.
experience to actually guide you better.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
I would really request whole of the students having we have as viewers today with us that please don't do these mistakes which I have might done.
So let's just divert a bit from the study to the corporates. So let's talk to Saloni once. Saloni is currently working in Genpact as a consultant. So Saloni, let's ask a few questions with you. Then we'll switch back to somebody else again. So what are the different ways to crack the interviews since you are working in a corporate? So what are the different way to crack the interview?
Okay. So I have a lot of parameters to answer this particular question. First of all, I'm
Mm-hmm.
not quite sure how many of the viewers are even aware of what sort of interviews we might face. So
Mm-hmm.
most of the students actually go with a view कि हमें तो जॉब लेना है कैंपस पे. कोई ये नहीं सोचता दैट कैंपस इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग दैट यू हैव इन योर हैंड. एंड अगर आप इतना मोटिवेट होके अपने आप को जा रहे हो कि हाँ हमें तो कैंपस में ही जॉब लेना है, इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग, बट उसके लिए प्रिपेयर भी तो करो. Everybody is just busy
Mm-hmm.
in photocopy of their CVs before the placements. That is, I have seen in most of the cases. Nobody cares to prepare for the interview which they are going to face. So if
Yeah.
you are going for and so I'll just quickly jump to the category of interviews, okay, that I have faced in my life. There can be n number of categories or n number of questions that the interviewers may ask, but
Mm-hmm.
you, what I see is apart from group discussion, we have two interviews. One is the tech interview, the technical interview, and the other one is HR interview. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So when we go for a technical interview, most of the people have this query कि हम क्या पढ़ें. अगर उन लोगों
Mm-hmm.
को इतनी इन डेप्थ नॉलेज, वो मतलब ऐसा, obviously the interviewer knows the questions or the answers better than you. So
Mm-hmm.
obviously they know what particular knowledge you would be requiring in the job that you will do. So they are not going
Mm-hmm.
to ask you the minimalistic lines that are written in your books. So you need
Mm-hmm.
not to read all the books in one go. And to be honest, I faced two interviews in the campus. Yeah, so one was ITC and second was Vedanta.
ITC. Okay.
And both the tech interviews, it was surprising for me as well because both the interviewers asked me exactly same set of questions. So
Exactly same.
yeah, both the interviewers for both the companies asked me exactly same set of questions.
Technical or HR? Which one?
Technical.
Okay.
Okay, so technical questions भी ऐसे नहीं. So we generally have this tendency to believe कि HR questions तो हम लोग देख लेंगे, ये वही पूछेंगे ना, strengths पूछेंगे, weakness पूछेंगे, past experience पूछेंगे. There are a lot of things to HR interview as well. I'll come on to that later. But apart from this, for the technical interview, at least do some Google search. What can be asked? Because I don't believe that two person had exactly same mindset of thinking with coming up their questions. They asked me, sections as well. So, and whenever one thing that I would really want to mention here is whenever you are approaching an interview, especially for service sector corporates, make sure that you have created, a decent knowledge in your head about the organization. हमें ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही नहीं पता, हमें वहां जाके कोई पूछेगा आईटीसी फूड्स क्या करता है, फूड्स के प्रोडक्ट बनाता होगा. दिस इज द ओनली एक्सप्लेनेशन दैट पीपल हैव. दैट इज नॉट द ओनली एक्सप्लेनेशन दैट यू गिव टू एन इंटरव्यूअर. You have to give smart answers, only then the other person will get to know you're smart enough. So work, matlab the interview should be of the impression that you have done justice to the opportunity that you have got. So we need to rehearse well. मतलब एक डांस परफॉर्मेंस के लिए हम लोग अच्छे से रिहर्स करते हैं, तो आई एम नॉट श्योर, पता नहीं हम इंटरव्यू को इतने सीरियसली क्यों नहीं लेते हैं. सो पूरी बुक्स मत पढ़ो, बट डू सम गूगल सर्च, क्या हॉट क्वेश्चंस चल रहे हैं, आस्क देम. सीनियर्स से पूछो. इफ आई एम वर्किंग इन वेदांता और से Genpact, try to get in touch with me over LinkedIn. And then again, getting in touch with your seniors, Facebook is not a good medium, guys. As soon, I mean, there are some professional etiquettes that we should follow. And this is the part that I want to touch upon in HR interview. HR interview is not only about strengths and weaknesses and your introduction. HR is sitting there to judge you, your body language, how you respond to things. So if you're confident enough, then they will get to know about, even the way that you walk inside the room. They'll get to know about your confidence with that as well. हम लोग इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं, लड़कियों की नेल्स चिप ऑफ हो रहे हैं, नेल पेंट उस पे हट रहा है, किसी का काला नेल पेंट है, किसी की शर्ट बाहर है, लड़कों की टाई नहीं पहना है. सिर्फ शर्ट और पैंट पहनने से कोई फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू के लिए तैयार नहीं होता है. There should be a decorum that you should follow. You should have the confidence, you should have the way to present yourself. So, and especially communication skills. Work on your communication skills, because I have seen it in the majority of the students that they usually, don't work on their communication skills, and that is why they don't clear HR interviews. HR interviews are actually...
What are the way that one can improve their communication skills?
So
2-3 tips if you want to give.
Yeah, so 2-3 tips basically that I would prefer giving right now is, again, first, groom your personality. Groom your personality in a way that people look up to you. Then they actually get an impression while you're walking in front of them. They get an impression, okay, fine, that is a professional. That is a senior professional, and he or she is looking like one. आप लोग कॉलेज ग्रेजुएट नहीं हो, आप अपनी डिग्री को वैल्यू तभी दिलवा पाओगे जब आप खुद वैल्यू करोगे. यू आर CMA professionals. So professional words brings a lot of responsibilities with it. So do justice to that. Groom your personality. And no matter whether you talk in English or in Hindi in an interview, to a large extent. So when you're talking in an interview, try to put your point across very clearly. कम बोलो पर अच्छा बोलो, point to point बोलो. That.
So in addition to this, what do you think, what are the essential for the corporate? What are the essential stuff that get into a corporate world? These things are important. What are the things you can say?
Okay, so there are a lot of things that you can get judged upon. Even your CV gives a very good impression on your interviewer, or a very impression on your interviewer. So I mean, the way you talk, the way you walk is definitely important. But then the way you approach things is also important. So one of the essentials that I feel, I have been associated with Vedanta earlier, and now I'm with Genpact. So that is a complete switch over from an industry, a manufacturing industry, to a service sector industry where I'm a consultant into a risk consulting firm. So I have noticed one thing very clearly, that people, if your goal is to enter into any of the corporates or industries, people should have, good knowledge of the laptops or the computers or Excel in particular. Majority of the work happens over Excel, and people don't even know how to operate. So I really don't feel that is a good impression that you can give to one of your seniors when you join a job. How long? I mean, most of the people feel shame after all, after getting the job and performing the day-to-day activities, because the senior tells them that you have to do this, and they assume that since you are a CMA professional, you would know this. But ultimately, we have never worked upon that particular thing. We never worked upon to learn anything on that side. And one thing is, a lot of people, we don't have our presence over LinkedIn. Guys, Facebook, Instagram are not the correct way of approaching any particular person professionally. As soon as we uploaded the poster for this particular webinar as well, there were number of friend requests I was getting on Facebook. I mean,
Okay.
there should be, even if you want to get in touch with your seniors, try LinkedIn. Have a presence there. Talk to your seniors there. I recently recommended few people in my organization for some of the vacancies, and the CVs that I was receiving, they were so bad in shape. I mean, आपने किसी को देखकर भी बनवाया है.
How do you think one could prepare their CV? Is there any specified way or something?
The best way to prepare your CV is to prepare on your own. किसी साइबर कैफे वालों को पैसे देकर आप CV बनवाओगे, obviously they don't know you better than yourself. Try working on to things like this. मतलब formatting proper नहीं होती है. People don't have mentioned their critical skills only. They have not mentioned what they have done in past. I mean, मेरे हिसाब से a CMA professional, anybody would be least interested to know that you like dancing and singing and reading novels. So why does that become a part of your CV? You're not a graduate. You're not applying for a graduate job. ये बात बहुत शायद छोटी लग रही होंगी अभी किसी किसी को, but these are very important things if you are looking for a future in corporates.